Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hopefully you all are fine. This is Reema Faisal here. Here is your English literature class time for class 7, week number 6. Let's start. Chapter number 2, The Miller, His Son and Their Donkey. Objective: Students, by the end of this lectures, you all will be able to do filling the blanks by yourselves. Choose the correct answer for the blanks. Differentiate between true and false statement. Use the synonyms for difficult words. Here we go. Assignment number 1. In this, we shall discuss filling the blanks. Choose the correct answer, true, false, sentence making and activity. Let's start filling the blanks. Number 1. Once upon a time there was a dash. एक दफ़ा का जिक्र है, वहाँ कौन रहता था? Miller. Miller and his son walked along the dash highway. The Miller did not like dash to be loved. मिलर को क्या अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था कि मुसाफिर ट्रैवलर्स जो हैं उसका मजाक उड़ाएं. वी शुड रिस्पेक्ट डैश ओल्ड एज. हमें बूढ़ों की रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए. सम वुमेन कैरिंग डैश ऑफ वेजिटेबल. यस, बास्केट्स ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स. चूज द करेक्ट आंसर. यू हैव टू चूज द राइट आंसर एंड फिल द ब्लैंक्स. नंबर 1. द डैश फेल्ट अ बिट वेक्स्ड. मिलर और हिज सन. यस, द राइट आंसर इज मिलर. The dash did not mind Miller or donkey. The right answer is donkey. Yes. The donkey began to dash and bray. Hit or kick? Yes. The right answer is kick. Miller had pleased nobody and dash his donkey too. Miller किसी को भी खुश नहीं कर सका और उसने अपने गधे को भी खो दिया. A great crew of dash ran out to get a closer look at an unusual sight. People. Yes, the right answer is people. True and false. You have to write the statement either true or false. Miller lived in a big house. No, the answer is wrong. The Miller was not tried. The answer is true. Donkey is a poor dumb animal. The answer is true. The Miller set out happily. No, the answer is false. Miller had pleased nobody. The answer is right. Let's start word sentences. You have to make the sentences of the following words. Number 1 is analyze. Analyze the character of Miller. Merchant. My uncle is a merchant. Stupid. He is very stupid. Please. It is hard to please everyone in every situation. Chance. Please give me a chance to do this job. Now activity time. What you have to do in this activity? Underline the difficult words in the following sentence and rewrite them by replacing these words with their synonyms. आपने difficult words को underline करना और उसको उनके हम मानी अल्फाज से replace करना है. The Miller and his son quickly scrambled down. The synonym of scramble is trap. The Miller felt a bit vexed because of criticism. The synonym of bit vexed is upset and criticism is carper. The donkey began to dash and bray. Kick and bray. The synonym of kick is spurn. The donkey tumbled down into the river. The synonym of tumble down is fell down. A great dash crowd of people run out to get a closer look at the strange sight. Here is the synonym of crowd is flock and the synonym of strange is foreign sight. Now students, hope you all understand how to do your this week assignment. Now homework time. You have to do filling the blanks, choose the correct answer, true, false, and activity in your copies. Here's a reminder for you. Copies will be submitted for checking on Friday and check copies will be returned on Monday. Office timing will be 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Office timing will be 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. So don't forget. Thank you students for watching this video. Kindly like and share this video. Also subscribe our YouTube channel for more upcoming learning videos. Till then, Allah Hafiz.